In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block time in Outlook Calendar. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to mark yourself unavailable so meetings don't get booked over your focus time or personal commitments. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. Look for the official Outlook site from Microsoft and click it. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land in your Outlook inbox. Once you're in the Mail view, take a look at the top left of the screen. You'll see the new Mail button, and next to it, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to reveal more options, then choose Event. This is a fast shortcut to creating a calendar entry without switching away from your inbox. An event window will open. Here, set the date and start and end times for the block you want to protect. Give it a clear title, like Focus Time or Personal Appointment, so it's obvious what that time is for when you glance at your calendar later. You can add notes if you want, but that's optional. Now, to make sure this time actually blocks your availability, look near the top of the event window for the status dropdown. This is the menu that typically shows options like free, busy, tentative, or out of office. It's located near the response options. Click that drop-down and select Out of Office. Choosing Out of Office makes your time appear unavailable to others and can help prevent people from scheduling over it. It's stronger than busy in many organizations and communicates clearly that you won't be available. Before you save, give the details a quick review. Confirm the date and times are correct and that the status says Out of Office. If you want to add more context for yourself, you can include a short description. You can also adjust the reminder time if you'd like a heads up before your block starts, or leave it as is. When everything looks good, click Save. Outlook will add the event to your calendar with the out-of-office status, and your availability for that period will be blocked. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook from your browser, use the New Mail dropdown to create an event, set your time, choose Out of Office to block your availability, and save. Use this whenever you need uninterrupted focus, deep work sessions, or time away from your desk. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.